Welcome back, everybody. This is Mike Ray, Practical Metal YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing all right out there in YouTube land. It's been a while since I got a video posted and wanted to get some stuff I've been working on up to the channel so you guys could see what's going on. Been doing a lot of work in and around the shop, and also a lot actually outside the shop. It's been a real busy time of year for me right now. I got a lot going on, but been went up to Chicago and Middlebury, Indiana, picked up some hardware for the shop. I've got some footage of that, getting that in my adventures of getting that equipment off my trailer and partially into my shop. What we're working on now is we're going to be moving some equipment around to put some coating on the floor. We're going to be putting down some epoxy on the floor here in my shop. Shop's 32 by 36 foot. It's packed pretty full. So those of you guys out there that are building shops, definitely want to take the time and the expense to go ahead and get your floors done like you want them before you start putting your equipment in there. That's one thing that I wanted to do when I originally built my shop. I didn't do that, and now it's going to be a whole lot more work getting that floor and put down. I've got to, the floor's extra dirty because it's been 2007, I believe, is when I started this shop. So the floor's been down that long. It's never had any sealer on it. I've always been real careful, but inevitably you get stuff on it. But I've got it, packed full. The shop's so full. I've turned over equipment and, sold equipment and put equipment back in here. And even back in the machine shop portion of my shop, I'm going to actually end up working around some of the tables and some of the bigger equipment just because I don't want to move it. Should be able to get 99% of what I want done without relocating the lathe. The mill that I have right now, I have a Bridgeport mill that's a project mill, but it's on rollers, so I can get it out of the way. It's not actually in production. My Industrial Hobbies mill that I've got that I use on a regular basis is actually up on a table, so it doesn't have a lot of floor contact, so I can work around the legs on it. I've got a shear, 36-inch shear, 36-inch press brake, general office furniture, things like that. I'll get some footage of that when I get into doing the floor. I'm going to do a whole series on the floor coatings that I've decided to go with. I've decided to go with a single part solution that I picked up at Lowe's. It's Sealcrete's the brand. I've done a lot of reading on it, and really I've had it actually for a couple of months now, but the weather here has been below the 50 degrees that they want to have, over a 24-hour period. So, and again, I'll get into that when I start working on that video. But here in the South, we get a lot of rain, so the 24-hour window is tough. So, these projects can take days to get done because you've got to prep the floor and get everything ready, which takes, you got to etch, you have to do, you have to clean it, you have to then put down a sealer. There's just tons of different things you got to do, and I'll go into that again, and I've got all the stuff set up to do that. But anyway, so I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I've got going on. I've got some pretty neat stuff coming in, I think, if we can get it all configured and get it in here. I've got rotary phase converter project coming. I've got a 15-horse rotary phase converter that I'm going to be installing in the shop. I've actually got a third-party phase converter panel, and then I have a 15-horsepower three-phase motor that I'm going to hook up to power a couple pieces of equipment I just bought. So the equipment that I bought, actually, I picked up a Kearney and Trecker 2H universal mill that's in pretty good shape considering it's 1938 vintage, is best I can tell from the serial number. Now what we're doing right now is we're moving stuff out of the shop, getting stuff backed away to start working on these floors. Again, this is Mike Ray, Practical Metal YouTube channel. Just wanted to provide everybody an update, and thanks for all my subscribers that are out there. And if you like the video, please subscribe, and we'll get more videos posted as we can. Thank you. Have a great day.